This is just some of the examples of legal authority that is out there. Recently, the Supreme Court has repeatedly said that these solemn compacts of statehood are bilateral agreements, rights and obligations on both sides that are serious and enforceable to be performed in a timely fashion. At about the time of our statehood in Utah, the Supreme Court said that the federal government only held territorial lands in trust for the states ultimately to be created. Alabama, you remember Alabama, one of those states that was as much as 90% federally controlled, and they went to battle because they had knowledge and courage, right? This was a case related to Alabama and their lands. It says once the federal government, once the United States has fully executed these trusts, the municipal sovereignty of the new states, Illinois and Missouri and Arkansas, will be complete throughout their respective borders, and they and the original states will be on an equal footing in all respects whatsoever. The United States never held any municipal sovereignty, jurisdiction, or right of soil in and for the territory of the new states, except for temporary purposes to execute the trusts. You understand what a trust is, right? Anybody have a trust? You've been a trustee, right? The trustee holds legal title. Now, the trust agreement gives instruction as to what the trustee can and cannot do. In our law, that trust situation is known as fiduciary duty. It's also referred to as the highest duty known in law, the utmost good faith and loyalty. Because a breach of the trust is so serious when you've been entrusted with something like that. The federal government was only ever a trustee. They hold legal title. They do. That forever disclaim, we gave them a quitclaim. We cleared title at statehood to the federal government because they have an obligation to dispose of the land, to create new states, use the proceeds to pay the debt of the revolution. We'll see where this question is older than our nation. They hold title as a trustee to dispose of the land. Not go sell the land and book the cruise. Not go give the land to China. Or whatever else they may want to do. Utmost good faith and loyalty.